Hi, it's Stuart Robertson, CEO of ShareBuilder 401k. I'm out and about, I'm talking to friends, they're self-employed, they're doing well, and they're like, I wish I could get 401k benefits and things that bigger companies have. Well, I get to share good news with them because they can. It's called a solo 401k plan or an individual 401k plan, and it's all the great 401k benefits you'd expect that a big company has, and it's designed for that self-employed person. Actually, it's even better. They're really designed for those who are 1099 contractors, they may be sole proprietors, they may be an LLC, you name it, but they're a one-person shop or they have multiple owners, but no employees. All those can qualify for a solo 401k. You can even include your spouse. A solo 401k is really designed to help the gig economy get 401k benefits, take advantage of those high contribution limits and more. So you're self-employed, you're doing great, you're thinking about a solo 401k plan. There's a couple things to really think about of when it's really the time for you to start. The first one is, are you going to be saving more than $7,000 a year into a retirement account? Because if you're not, an IRA is going to be a better fit for you. But if you are, and maybe you might want to even do $69,000 a year, now you're talking about the power of a solo 401k plan. Because what it allows you to do is give that $23,000 a year in 2024 as an employee, but you're also the employer. So you can provide yourself that profit share or match, or however you want to call it, to yourself as the employee. That allows you to do another $46,000, which gets you to $69,000 potentially. It is based on how much earnings your business is driving. But that's a big, powerful reason that many people start the solo 401k plan. So another great reason to think about a solo 401k plan. Some people want it because of the Roth 401k feature. Their self-employed business is going gangbusters. They're making too much to put into a Roth IRA. There is no income limit on a Roth 401k feature. Doesn't matter how much you earn, you can put money in after tax into that Roth, it will grow, and in retirement, you can withdraw it tax-free, earnings and all. It's pretty darn exciting. So as an employee, you can put in $23,000, and rules are changing so that employer match can be put in a Roth too. So you may be able to put up to $69,000 a year after tax into Roth if you want, which is pretty darn exciting. Another great feature that a lot of self-employed people like that a solo 401k plan offers is the 401k loan. While it's not recommended, you're not reliant on a bank if you need money in a pinch. You can take up basically half of your vested balance, up to $50,000, and you're paying yourself back that money versus the bank over a 5-year period. So it's a great way, you get in a pinch, to grab some money, know that you're gonna pay it back into your retirement account and get through that tough time. So there you have it. The self-employed can have big company benefits. A solo 401k plan, it's pretty awesome. You can take those high contribution limits for yourself, save on taxes, build for tomorrow, Roth 401k if you need it, as well as loans in case of an emergency. It's a super powerful financial product for you to build your future and take care of today's needs too. We'd love it if you subscribe. We got a lot of great content that we keep sharing here. Also, if you prefer to read about a lot of this content, our blogs and other pages on our site provide a lot of great info and details, or just give us a call. Our experts are here to help you. Thank you.